Instagram. Sorry, I had like a hiccup. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do, drumroll please. Today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to be talking about my top 5 favorite lipsticks. All of these choices were based on lipsticks that I would feel comfortable going out in, formula, how long they last, and the shade. So if you want to see my top 5 favorite lipsticks, then keep on watching. First things first, be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification button, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. So let's get started. My first color, of course, has to be a red color because who doesn't love a good red? This is MAC's Ruby Woo, and for the lip liner, I also have that. I like to use the Cherry Lip Pencil, also by MAC. The 2 products that I like to use. I'm for real filling my hair today. I literally did it in like 5 seconds. Of course, normally I would not wear pink and red together, but it actually doesn't look all that bad. Okay, maybe it does. But, I mean, I'm just trying the colors for you guys, so don't get picky. Yeah, so this lipstick, easy to apply, especially if you have a lip balm on first. I recommend do not licking your lips. This is an extremely matte lipstick. But yeah, I put on a lip balm before. It's really comfortable. It lasts all day. I need a picture though. Girl, yes. Okay. Okay. Is that me? It does come off, so I mean it still looks good though, but overall, of course, I would never recommend drinking or eating while wearing lipstick anyways. Like, no lipstick is like indestructible or whatever. So yeah, I do love this lipstick. The color makes your teeth look really white. It's really pretty, looks good in pictures. It's the perfect red. Okay, so let's get into our next color. Who doesn't love black? Gotta love black. This is by NYX Cosmetics. This is in the shade Alien, and this is from their NYX Liquid Suede line. I love wearing black. Love this formula. Their Liquid Suede line and their Lip Lingerie line is amazeballs. Honestly, it was hard for me to pick a top 5 because honestly, most of them would have been NYX Cosmetics. But I wanted to pick ones that I actually like wearing out and that I feel comfortable actually wearing out. Like, I would totally wear this. Like, who doesn't love a good black? This is like my... Do I have any other black lipsticks? I hate that. Like, oh, it's a different color inside. I just hate that. So that's why when you wear lipstick in pictures, don't pout, please, because it doesn't look cute. Yeah, okay, whatever. Okay, on to the next color. Next color is from Kylie Cosmetics. I have the Velvet lipstick, which is this one, which is my favorite. I love the formula the best. A lip gloss and one from the Cocoa collection. I heard the matte ones are like super dry and I really hate dry lipsticks. So this lipstick does come with the matching lip pencil, which is amazing. The formula is so smooth, so comfortable, and the actual lipstick itself smells so good. This is a nice rosy pink. Get it? Rosy. Yeah, okay, I have lipstick on my teeth. This is Rosie by Kylie Cosmetics. Oh, sorry, I mean Kylie Cosmetics. Sorry, Kylie. I don't want to take it off. It's so comfortable. It feels better than my natural lips. How is that possible? Number uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Crystal Hearts Cosmetics. Love this brand. It's like a Probably a brand you haven't heard of. They're not high-end, or not high-end. They're not that popular yet, but their formula is amazing. Their shade range is amazing. They're really like underappreciated in the makeup industry. I also have a coupon code, so if you want to get some money off, use Nicole Murray when checking out. No, this video is not sponsored. I hate when people say that. But no, really, it's not sponsored because there's other brands in here, duh. I'm just trying to be honest, though. I love this formula. And this color. Ooh, this color is my favorite. Oh my god, look at... I think my lip is swollen. But it's all good. I'm trying to get that Kylie Jenner pout. Love the formula, like I said. This color is amazing. This is like a seductive, like sexy, like I'm gonna be like in the bedroom looking cute with my husband color. I don't know. Just wanna like take off my sweater and just be like, last but not least, number 5. This is probably one of my favorite colors, favorite lipsticks of all times. And let me tell you how we met. I remember on Instagram I saw this chick post a picture and she was wearing like this lipstick color and I was like, that's fine. What shade is that? And she was like Sandstorm by NYX Cosmetics. So I went to CVS and I scooped it up, right? And we've been in love ever since, to the point where I lost one and I went and bought another one. That's how dedicated I was. I wore this color so many times and this ain't even the right one. This is Brooklyn Thorn. Anyways, back. This is my favorite color. So this is Sandstorm. I probably wore this in like a million pictures on Instagram. If you follow me, if you don't, follow me. Anyways, this is my favorite color. Why I have so much energy? Because I had hella sweets today. Look at this shade. Like, this is the perfect nude. I'm a sucker for nude lipsticks. Nude lip glosses, nude lipsticks that go with my skin tone, because I have a weird skin tone, because, you know, I'm unique as hell. And yeah, this is one of my all-time favorites. I also know other people who have the shade and they love it too. So it looks good on a lot of peeps. So that's all from my top favorite that's all from my top 5 favorite lipsticks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know what else you want to see down in the comments below. Also, just don't be a stranger. Comment. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all that good stuff. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Also, I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I didn't want to include it in the beginning because I hate when people talk too much in the beginning, and usually people will just like stop watching the video. So anyways, if you made it this far, I just want to share a little update with you guys and let you know I will be posting at least, drumroll, 3 times a week. Goal is to post Monday, Wednesdays, and Sundays. The time probably not going to be the same, but yeah, so I'm trying to be more active on YouTube and just like thinking of other ideas, more videos I'm going to do. I'm definitely going to be sharing a lot more content with you guys, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you want to see more, and once again, thank you guys for watching. Catch you in my next video. Bye. I like all of them. Oh, okay. Alright, everything wanna fall and shit.